FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup will be held in which country from 17 Feb 2021? So basically, FIFA Under 17 World Cup was supposed to take place in 2020, but now it has been postponed till 17 Feb 2021 due to the coronavirus pandemic, and it will take place in India. So here the correct answer is India. And you also remember it will take place in 5 cities in India: Navi Mumbai, Guwahati, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, and in Bhubaneswar. And FIFA is the highest governing body of football. And FIFA headquarters you will find in Zurich in Switzerland. And who is the president of FIFA? It's Gianni Infantino. And here the correct answer is India, where the FIFA Under 17 World Cup will be held in 17 Feb 2021. Which country has developed I Feel You bracelet for the social distancing? Germany, UK, Spain, Italy. Correct answer is Italy. So it has been developed by the country Italy. And Joseph Conte is the Prime Minister of Italy, and capital is Rome. Rome, where will you find the headquarter of World Food Programs and Food and Agriculture Organization? Both. Italy has also Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, etc. And Germany capital is Berlin, and Angela Merkel is the Chancellor of Germany. UK capital London, and Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of UK, who has recently found coronavirus positive. Spain capital Madrid, and Pedro Sanchez the Prime Minister of Spain. And Italy capital is Rome, and Joseph Conte is the Prime Minister of Italy. And here the correct answer is Italy, who has developed I Feel You, a type of bracelet for the social distancing during this coronavirus pandemic. Who has become the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? V. Vidyanath. So V. Vidyanath has become the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Which state will host the 11th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship 2021? So, men's championship hosted Maharashtra. So, the correct answer is Maharashtra. And remember one more. In 2023, the men's senior hockey World Cup will be in India in two cities, in Raurkela and in Bhubaneswar. In Raurkela, we have a Biju Patnaik Stadium, and in Bhubaneswar, we have a Kalinga Stadium. So, it will take place at two places, Raurkela and in Bhubaneswar in Odisha. And remember one more thing, in 2022 Women's Hockey World Cup will also take place in Spain and Netherlands together. And Spain capital is Madrid, Netherlands capital is Amsterdam. And in Amsterdam you will find the International Court of Justice in the place Hague. And here the correct answer is Maharashtra, who will host the 11th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship in 2021. Victoria Falls, which is in news recently, is a waterfall of which river? Zambezi, Tugel, Komati. Here the correct answer is Zambezi River. So it's a waterfall in Zambia. It's an African country. It has been opened recently, and previously it was shut down because of the coronavirus pandemic. So it is in Zambezi River. Correct answer is Zambezi River. Who has become the new chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education? So who has become the new chairman of CBSE? So new chairman of CBSE is Manoj Ahuja. Earlier it was Anita Karwal, but now it's Manoj Ahuja. So correct answer is Manoj Ahuja, who has become the new chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education. And in February, CBSE has also launched a mobile app. The name of that mobile app is called CBSE ECL. ECL, that means Exam Center Locator, so that a student find it easy to locate at their exam center. So here the correct answer is Manoj Ahuja, who has become the chairman of CBSE. President Ramnath Kovind has decided to take what percentage salary cut for himself to aid the government's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic? Correct answer 30%. So Ramnath Kovind, he has decided to 30% salary cut. And who is the president is the Ramnath Kovind, who is the vice president of India? It's Venkaiah Naidu. And who is the ex-officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? And talking about the Lok Sabha, who is the speaker of Lok Sabha? It's Om Birla. Om Birla is the speaker of Lok Sabha, and his constituency in Kota in Rajasthan. And here the correct answer is 30% salary cut by the Ramnath Kovind. Who among the following has been re-inducted into the NADA disciplinary panel? The name of that person is Akhil Kumar. And Akhil Kumar, he is a boxer. He has been re-inducted into the NADA. NADA, that is National Anti-Doping Agency. And the headquarters you will find in New Delhi. And recently, Sunil Shetty has become the new ambassador for the NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency. And talking about the WADA, that means World Anti-Doping Agency headquarters you will find in Montreal in Canada, and Canada capital is Ottawa. And two more headquarters you will find in Montreal. One is ICAO and IATA. International Civil Aviation Organization as well as International Air Transport Association Organization. Both the headquarters you will find in Montreal in Canada. And here the correct answer is Akhil Kumar, who has been re-inducted into the NADA disciplinary panel. Sohrai Khobar painting of which state has received the geographical indication tag? Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha. Correct answer is Jharkhand. So Sohrai Khobar painting of Jharkhand state has received the geographical indication tag, and it's a painting from the Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand. And here the correct answer is Jharkhand. And remember one more, in Telangana's Telia Rumal has received also the GI tag. Telangana Telia Rumal has received the GI tag, and don't confuse that it's a rumal or handkerchief, something like that. Not, it's sari. Telia Rumal of Telangana, it's a sari, has received the GI tag. So Sohrai Khobar from Jharkhand has received the GI tag, and Telangana's Telia Rumal from the Telangana has received the GI tag. Both have received the GI tag recently. And here the correct answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. And who is the chief minister of Jharkhand? It's Hemant Soren. His party name is Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and Draupadi Murmu is the governor of Jharkhand. Here are the list of all Maharatna company, and I am going to tell you the chairman of the SAM, all Maharatna company. And Maharatna, it's nothing. It's just a status which is given to these companies. So let's start. So BHEL, that means the Bharat Heavy Electric Limited, who is the chairman? It's Nalin Singhal. BPCL, that means the Bharat Petroleum Company Limited, it's D. Rajkumar. CIL, that means Coal India Limited, it's Pramod Agarwal is the chairman for this SAM, that means for Coal India Limited. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, Dr. Asutosh Karnataka is the chairman for this SAM. HPCL, that means the Hindustan Petroleum Company Limited, it's Mukesh Kumar Surena is the chairman for the HPCL. IOC, that means Indian Oil Corporation, it's Srikant Madhav Vedia is the chairman for the SAM. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, it's Gurdeep Singh is the chairman. ONGC, that means the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, it's Shashi Shankar. PGCL, that means the Power Grid Corporation India Limited, it's K. Srikant. SAIL, one more. SAIL, that means the Steel Authority of India Limited, it's Anil Kumar Chaudhary is the chairman for this SAM, for this SAIL. And you have to remember all the chairman of these Maharatna company. And after repetition 2 or 3 times you can easily remember, and I think repetition is the best way to remember anything. And thank you.